In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Hide Morning add-on for Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to calendar.google.com. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed in and looking at your main Google Calendar homepage layout. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and complete the login process so you can access your calendar settings and tools properly. It's important to begin from the main calendar screen because that's where the add-on options are available. After you're on the Google Calendar homepage, look toward the top right area of the screen. In that utility toolbar section, you'll see the gear icon, which is where calendar settings and extra options are stored. Click on that gear icon to open the menu. A drop-down list will appear with several options related to your calendar setup and customization. From that menu, select Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace area connected to Google Calendar, where you can browse tools designed to expand the way your calendar works. Depending on your connection speed, this page may take a moment to load, so just wait until the Marketplace interface appears fully before continuing. Once you're in the add-on section, use the search bar to look for the extension called Hide Morning in Google Calendar. Be sure to type the name carefully so you can find the correct result more quickly. When the matching add-on appears, click into it to open its details page. This page usually includes a short description of what the add-on does along with the installation option. From there, begin the installation process for Hide Morning in Google Calendar. Follow the on-screen prompts to install it in Chrome and connect it with your Google Calendar if needed. During installation, you may be asked to review permissions. Take a moment to read through those prompts so you understand what access is being requested before you approve it. Once the installation is complete, the add-on should be available for use with your Google Calendar. If you don't see changes right away, refreshing the calendar page can help the interface update and recognize the newly installed tool. And that's it. You've now opened Chrome, accessed Google Calendar, found the add-ons area through the gear menu, and searched for and installed Hide Morning in Google Calendar. If you're following along, take your time with each screen so you don't miss any prompts during setup.